In Italian, colors are adjectives and will have to agree in gender and number with the thing they are describing. Rosso, un bicchiere di vino rosso. Rossa, la poltrona rossa. Rossi, i sandali rossi. Rosse, le scarpe rosse. Will exist for all the colors that end in an O. Bianco, bianca, bianchi, bianche. Una camicetta bianca. Azzurro, azzurra, azzurri, azzurre. Gli azzurri. Nero, nera, neri, nere. Il gatto nero. Giallo, gialla, gialli, gialle. I gialli. In Italian, the term gialli refers to mystery and crime fiction. This term originated in 1929 when the publishing house Mondadori started publishing detective novels with striking yellow covers. Grigio, grigi, grigia, grigia. Il cielo grigio. Like all the other adjectives that end in an E, the next colors only have two forms, singular and plural. Arancione, arancioni. Un'arancia arancione. Verde, verdi. L'erba verde. Marrone, marroni. I cani marroni. And colors are invariable. Blu. I calzini blu. Rosa. Una rosa rosa. In this sentence, the first rosa is the noun and the second rosa is the adjective. Viola. Un palloncino viola. Have I left out any colors? Let me know below if I have. Don't forget to like and subscribe and contact us for more information.